Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to open Gmail Help on your PC. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily access the support and help you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by visiting mail.google.com and logging into your account. This will take you to your Gmail inbox. Step 2. On the top of the Gmail interface, you'll find a navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Support and click on it. This will take you to the Gmail Help section. Step 3. Within the Gmail Help section, you'll find various resources and articles to assist you. Look for the option labeled Help and click on it. This will open a new page with additional help options. Step 4. On the new page, you'll see a button labeled Visit Help Forum. Click on it to access the Gmail Help Forum, where you can ask questions, find solutions, and engage with the Gmail community. By following these 4 steps, you can easily open Gmail Help on your PC and find the assistance you need. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.